After this video, your mind will be blown away because I have just discovered a secret that I am going to share with you. This will change your life forever, and as an example, I am using this photo to do what I am going to show you. I am going to show you today how you can remove any object background using AI technology for free. So I was looking for topics for my YouTube channel. I was searching here and there on Google. I do this every day. Then I came across this website. It's called Zyro.com. Zyro.com is basically a website building tool, but it has a secret feature. A secret feature that allows you to remove your photo's background using AI technology. And let's try this feature. To use this feature, go to the Zyro.com and move your mouse on the product. After that, select AI background remover. Now you are on the main interface of the AI background remover. Click on the upload image. Select your desired file and upload it. Start processing, and let's see. This is beyond a human capabilities and I love it. I hope you have learned something very new, very exciting. Hope you will like this video. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Take care. Bye bye. Okay, see you in the next upcoming amazing videos.